Yes, folks, this is the wintry conditions over in Switzerland. It is unbelievable, isn't it? I should be saying help, I can't see. What should I do? Keep making a video. No, but this is a beautiful part of the world, and this is well worth the, I would say, $160, $170 Australian that I spent on it. And I recommend a lot of people doing it. It's really good. So yeah, it's a lot of. It's really nice over in St. Moritz.